Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make Google Forms on mobile. So whether you're not at a coffee shop or on a bus or just hanging on the couch, you can build, edit, and also send Google Forms right from your phone. And in here, I want to show you the fastest way to access Google Forms on mobile, and how you can add questions with one tap, and how you can share the link via WhatsApp, email, or social media instantly. So in here, what you need to do first is just open your mobile browser, and then just go to the forms.google.com. Okay, as you guys can see, once you do that, a blank or a new forms will be created automatically. And now you can just add the titles on your phone, your form, and in here you can add a question. For example, I want to just go with name, and to add a new one, you can just hit on the plus button at the bottom left corner, and you can add the next questions. And to see the result, you can just tap on the responses, then click on this Google Sheets icon to see the responses from the respondents. So that's how you can easily create a Google Forms right from your phone. If this hack just made your life easier, smash that like button, subscribe, and also leave a comment if you have any question. Also, don't forget to click on the thanks. Bye.